of the two you. It is no longer a rumor that Prophet T.B Joshua of the Synagogue of All Nations, located in Lagos, Nigeria, is gone. We are live here at Ikotun, the Synagogue of All Nations, Lagos, Nigeria. We are still Koiki Media. We bring the world closer to your doorsteps. Please, let's try not to mock the dead, please. Let's use this opportunity to say RIP to him and also to console the family and members of his church. We're told that he died at 2 a.m. this morning. That he was sick. That he wasn't sick, but he started feeling ill around 11 p.m. last night. Then the news was being broken at 2 a.m. this morning. Please don't mock the dead, please. We will all die one day. Let's use this great opportunity to say, rest in peace, man of God. He's a great man of God, a renowned man of God, a great one. His church is located in the heart of Ikotun in Lagos, Nigeria. This church has really brought together different people from all over the world. From Nigeria, from other African countries, from Europe, from America, everywhere, all over the world. A lot of people come from their countries to worship in this church. Please, let's not mock the dead. Let's say RIP to him. Let's try console the families and also members of Synagogue Church, please. For one day, one time, we will all die. It's Koiki Media. Is dead. It is confirmed story. It's no longer a rumor. A lot of sympathizers are now at the gates of the church here in Lagos, Nigeria, to sympathize with the family, friends, and church members also. And also to say RIP to him. And also a lot of people have been here crying. We're told that this man of God is a very, very good man. He's a philanthropist, a prophet, a pastor. He's a very nice man. He runs so many NGOs, he supports people, he feeds a lot of people, gives them morning, afternoon and evening food, give them cash, change their life, get them jobs. the synagogue of all nations. We are still Koiki Media. We bring the world closer to your doorsteps.